Meet the Media 2026 will take place in Dublin on Monday the 9th of February 2026. The event will run from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m, with our now famous afters party running until late. Our talks and workshops return again this year, along with the opportunity to get your profile photo taken by our photographer Raf. Last year we had over 100 Irish and UK travel media attend for pre-scheduled appointments, with over 50 international travel suppliers and DMOs taking appointments. Media attending are all pre-approved by TravelMedia.ie and include travel writers, travel editors, travel bloggers and influencers, content creators and travel media from radio and television, as well as commissioning editors. Our super efficient online appointment system allows suppliers and media to pre-schedule meetings in advance. Last year, over 1,000 appointments were scheduled ahead of the event. Full details of the event are on our website. Registration is now open for Meet the Media 2026. That's Monday the 9th of February 2026 in Dublin.